What is up, my dudes? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Jesse, and just in case you're new here, I go hunting for Hot Wheels every single day, and then I crack them open right here on Daily Diecast. Now today, I have an eBay pickup, which I've been wanting to crack open for a while. It actually arrived a few days ago, and I am so looking forward to this episode because it is the Long Haulers episode. When I first saw this, I was like, yeah, I gotta get this. It's so cool. A semi-truck with a trailer and a 57 Chevy with the Hot Wheels racing team tampos. Oh yeah, this is all me. And it was dirt cheap. This thing was only 10 bucks. Let's see, so there's the back of the card. Looks like the other castings are pretty cool too. I like to get that tow truck one, that's pretty sweet. Actually, they're all pretty cool. Looks like all the semis are pretty much the same. And according to this, it was about 1997 in which it was released. Very cool. Super stoked about this. All right, let's turn it back around and let's get to cracking. Oh, that opened up really easily. Awesome. Love that. Okay, we'll put the truck in the back for now. Let's check out the Chevy. There we go. Very nice. Got that nice metallic paint. A little bit of package dust on there. Clean it up here in a bit. There we go. Looks like this one is blown. At least that's what they would call it. It doesn't have, I don't see a supercharger blower on there, but if the engine's going through the hood, Hot Wheels considers it blown. No worries though. We got some chromey 5 spokes and a plastic chrome base with no information other than Malaysia and Mattel. Super shiny, like that. It's a nice heavy casting. Very, very nice. Let's see, so we've got a chrome bumper, no headlights, another chrome bumper, and no tail lights. But this is pretty old. This is before they started doing that more regularly. So no big deal. We can forgive them for that. Really stoked on that. That's a really nice looking, very good looking 57 Chevy Bel Air. Very, very cool. All right, so let's take a look at this truck. All right, so here's the front of it. Very cool. Also has nice metallic blue paint. Some 7-spoke wheels. A lot of it is plastic. The base is plastic, the whole trailer is plastic, but the cab, that is metal. And I think this pops down somehow, some way. I think maybe just, yeah, we just gotta pull it down. There we go. There it is. Awesome. So cool. Honestly, I'm super stoked. I think this is such a cool idea. And maybe this is where the team transport idea came from, who knows. But I just like haulers, you know, I like to be able to tow my cars around and in the back of big trucks. Very cool. Let's see, it also says Hot Wheels right there, just in plain lettering, as well as the flame logo right there. Does that move, I wonder? No, looks like that's stationary. 1998. So maybe it was 98? Who knows? Oh, wow, and that's interesting too. These are just screws, they're not rivets. Very unusual for Hot Wheels. Huh, so I guess customizers, you know, can have fun. Oh, there is one rivet. Okay, so there is a rivet. But the rest are screws. Cool. I'm super stoked. I just think this is so cool. Very awesome set. Haha, so rad. Well, that was the only thing I had to crack open today. Hope you guys are having a happy Christmas holiday season. And if you are new here and you collect Hot Wheels, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Again, my name is Jesse and I post Hot Wheels content every single day, and I will see you tomorrow.